Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials and gaming content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily change your Roblox game icon. It's a super simple process, so let's dive right in. First, load up Roblox and head over to the Create tab at the top of the page. Once it loads, you'll see a menu on the left. Click Creations. Now, find the game that you want to update and left-click on it. Next, head over to Places on the left, select your game again, and it'll open up. Alright, now we're almost there. On the left side menu, click Icon. This is where you'll update your game's icon. Make sure your image is in a square format as that's required for Roblox. Click Change, select the new icon from your files, and hit Save Changes. And there you have it, your game's new icon is live. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.